Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am scrapping happy. Look what I have. Isn't it cute? I am going to link the video of the lady I got this idea from because I followed her tutorial and I messed it up. So we don't want to, continue spreading the ineptness. So I'm not going to do a tutorial. I'm just going to show you this, link her video, and tell you some things I learned. But here's her, she's the Crafty Scrapper, I think. Hold on. The Crafty Organizer, excuse me, so sorry. She's really pretty, it's pretty amazing. I love watching her stuff. She's a professional organizer, but she also does, DIYs and upcyclings and things like that. But here's what the video is. It's a vintage apothecary drawer DIY about a month ago. So there's that. Okay, now she got the idea from someone else, which is she linked him in her video, but she didn't link the actual video. So I will find the actual video again because I did watch it. It's really pretty cool. It's different. It's not this exact thing, but it's something he got from IKEA. So it was really cool too. So I will link the video where she got it. Okay, saying all of that, I think I'm done. Now, if you're wondering what this is, it is these little boxes from Dollar Tree. Now, I did go to several. We're very fortunate where we live. We have the Dollar Trees all over the place. So I wanted 9. That's how many she had. But, I mean, you can do any number. I mean, you can reconfigure it. We did my daughter one with just 6. And we did 3 on the bottom, 2 here, and then 1 here. And it's really cute because then the little stair steps, she has little things sitting on them. It was really cute. Now, we couldn't find 9 of these. So, did you know you can order online at Dollar Tree? So, let me see. Of course, I opened it upside down, but here's what it looks like. The wood box with drawer, 3 assorted. I mean, I don't know, there's no specific, code or model or anything on it, but that's what it is. So I'm going to show you a couple things that I learned. One and most important is these boxes, even though it says, they're a certain size. Yeah, here's the back label, and it also doesn't have a just wood box with drawer. It says, they're all 3 by 3 or whatever it is. A little more than 3, 3 1/4 by I don't know. Anyway, they're not all the same. They're not exactly all the same. Look here. Can you see this? Okay. And then the fronts, they're just not. And here's the back. See how they're kind of not flush? But that's okay. The back doesn't need to be. The front is where you want, to line up everything. Because the back and even the sides are really not going to show, or it's not going to matter. Okay, so knowing that, when you switch your boxes around and paint them and all that, be smarter than I and keep up with which drawer goes in which box. Because look how nice that fits. I mean, it just slides right out. Well, let me see if I can find. There's still one here that is just. Yeah. Okay. Now, I have a friend right here Ooh, ah. This is my only mantle, and I stole it from my husband. I used the heck out of this thing on these drawers because they were all mixed up. And you have to really sand here on this edge and here. That was the magic spot that made everything fit, and most of them fit really well. And then she in Norrine's video, she links these. These are not the ones she linked. They were out, so I got these instead. I love them. We'll link mine for you. But look, I'm gonna see if I can show you. See the inside? See the little screws? It comes with the piece and then the little screws, and then it's actually perfect. The perfect size that it goes right. You know, the screw just comes out, and it's not going to be like when you're digging in there. It's not going to be where you're going to cut yourself or anything. I was thinking I would need to cut them off, but one, no way to get to it to cut it off, and two, it wasn't necessary. Now, if you're wondering, I did finally number them, but it was too late. I mean, it was just so I would know which color went where. It wasn't what fit, so please learn from me. Yeah, I lost mine. It's gone. Okay, so, oh yeah, here we go. So sorry. All right. I turned the drawers around, of course, because we don't want the holes. If you want the holes up front, go crazy, because that is adorable. Because it comes with, there's 3. Good grief, that one's full. Watch it. There's a flower, a heart, and a butterfly. So those would be really cute if you wanted them to show. I didn't, because I wanted to put these on there. I just cut a piece of craft paper, you know, the width here, and then it actually it's the width here, and then it goes all the way to here, just because I didn't want anything tucking under and slipping and getting stuck under there. So I just did it the whole inside, well, from here to here. But you do what you want. Anyway, that's my tip on that. Sand them well. Keep up with the drawers, which drawer goes in which box. And like what I was sanding in the beginning was just stuff like this. Just because it was, you know. And this stuff is so easy. It's, you know, it's just nothing. It's really easy to sand. It's really easy to paint. It does suck up paint, so don't be short on paint when you start, because you might run out. But anyway, so Dollar Tree, when you order something, you can't just order one. You got to order a case or a set or whatever. So it just so happened this stuff came in a box of 24, which was fine, because I needed 9 and my daughter wanted 6, so that was 15. So I can make more. You know, I can make another 9. I can make, you know, whatever. I won't dazzle you with my math, but I can do all kinds of, any number of things with the leftovers. So, wanted to show you that. And it was really easy. Just ordered it, paid for it. Got an email when it showed up at my store, and went to pick it up. It was easy. Okay, now what I've done is I went ahead and cut my little things to put in, so that when I put something in it, you know, I already have my label there. I can just label it. And these are going to be those little things that you have everywhere, and you end up poking at them all in a bowl. So I have been watching Tina Shabby Dabby Doodah. 2 weeks ago she started a Tidy Friday, or Tidy Friday, depending on, you know, from whence you come. where she is just taking one jar of crap at a time and organizing it. And it was so inspirational because when I walk in my craft room, I go, ugh, no way, and turn around and walk out. When it comes to organizing, I come in here and play all the time and make more messes, but it just desperately needs to be organized, and I need to go through everything. And I've been working on it, pieces, parts, for months and months. Well, at least during the lockdown, and I actually started before that, like last year. So I'll get a little bit done. Of course, it looks worse where it looks better, and then I get all freaked out. So anyway, instead of having all these things mixed in a little bowl, I just thought it would be so fun to have them. It would be so cute and have just the right perfect spot to put this. And I'm not going to say it real loud, because if I hear it, I am actually getting some of this junk organized just off my table. I have a whole room. We're empty nesters, so I have an entire room. And as my husband says, it is creeping out. My dining room table, in the formal dining room, which, we're not formal, so we don't need it. It's got crap on it. And we have a dedicated study, and it's got stuff in it. And because it used to be it was the study / craft room, or scrapbook area, because I'm a scrapbooker at heart. And then it's just, oh my gosh. So I guess I started cutting out things out of magazines. I'm going to make a vision board, which I think is just a fabulous idea if you're trying to, get a vision. But my daughter and I were in the family room, which is my husband's domain, and we left our stuff there. We were cutting out parts from magazines, and we left it there and went and did something. And yeah, we won't be doing that again. It's not our crafting area, and I was reminded. Yeah. So anyway, I do need to get my room straightened up and get more organized and just contain myself. All right, that was all free. Okay, I needed to tell you some things where you can order it. I'll link these. And I will link the 2 videos that you need to watch. And another thing I did, and if you don't want to spend the money on this, or don't, necessarily like the look, and you want to use the backside with the, with the cutout, or not, one of the things I did here is I glued a button, but it's not, it's all this color. Apparently, I really like this color, and I knew I did, but I have quite a bit. So I just glued, instead of putting buttons or teal buttons or whatever, I just glued one there. So the others have the words. So I may go in on some of the other things and do more fun stuff on the outside, but I don't know. I kind of like it, not real busy. But anyway, that is it. Thank you for listening to my rambling on. I love this. I'm so glad I did it. It was fun because we did it together. It was quite a bit of work. We sanded a lot, and then I had to. But the frustration, I can help you, if you will make sure that you keep your inside box, your drawer with your appropriate box. I can help you, save you an enormous amount of time by not mixing those up. Then you won't have to. Some of them you couldn't get it in there. The drawer just would not fit. So that will help. But anyway, that's I don't do a lot of crafty things. But this was so fun, I couldn't help it. I had to do it. So enjoy. If you make it, be sure and let me know. I want to see and have fun and all of those things. And y'all have a really good day.